I'm writing means answer, I'm practicing means answer. So I how can I know whether I'm writing the right answer or whether my answer is ideal answer or not? If you also struggle to know about it, then this is the right place to be here, guys. So hello guys, my name is Avinash. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about what about the ideal answer in the means answer writing in UPSC preparation. How you can know your answer is idealistic answer or not. So let's get started and decode it for you. So, guys, this is the last video of this particular series, and I want you to understand what the ideal answer look like. So, here it comes. It is a myth. It is actually a myth, guys. There is no ideal answer. There is no brilliant answer. Every answer can be improved because anyhow we are imperfect human being. So there is no perfection in us. So डेफिनेटली जो हम लिखेंगे जो हम सोचेंगे उसमें भी हमेशा स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रोविजन्स रहेंगे. So there is no ideal answer. All we can do is we can write best answers according to our abilities. This is all we can do, right? So don't underestimate yourself. Don't overanalyze on things कि मेरा आंसर परफेक्ट आंसर है या नहीं. परफेक्ट आंसर कुछ नहीं होगा. हो सकता है एज अ ह्यूमन बींग जो एक पर्सन को परफेक्ट आंसर लगे वो दूसरे को ना लगे. हो सकता है एक को लग रहा है बिल्कुल बेकार आंसर और दूसरे को लग रहा है नहीं ये तो बहुत अच्छा एक डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. समटाइम व्हाट हैपेंस इफ यू आर थिंकिंग वेरी डिफरेंटली, people some people will always appreciate it, and some people will say you should go with flow and don't be something different or something like that. तो इसलिए कोई आइडियलिस्टिक आंसर नहीं है. जस्ट फॉलो द स्ट्रक्चर, जस्ट फॉलो द थिंग्स, द पैटर्न दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो, लाइक जो डिजाइंड है. अदरवाइज कुछ भी परफेक्शनिस्ट नहीं होता है. प्लीज हैव दैट थिंग क्लियर इन योर हेड. So try to analyze and process things fast. That's required because anyhow we have to attempt each and every question of our means examination. That's required. That will make you a idealistic answer writer. कि अगर आप पूरे आंसर लिख पा रहे हो, पूरे आंसर अटेम्प्ट कर पा रहे हो, क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर पा रहे हो मीन्स आंसर में, मीन्स क्वेश्चन पेपर में, सो दैट मेक्स कि आप आइडियलिस्टिक आंसर राइटर हो, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम यू. फॉर दिस यू हैव टू relate on things, you have to work or analyze things very fastly. Relate current news with static topics, that's required. That will make your answer to be a good answer. But there can be good answer, not a perfect answer or idealistic answer. Please remember that in your head. अब good answer कैसे होगा? Structure है उसे follow करो, जो न्यूज़ है उसे फॉलो करो, जो जो स्टेप्स अभी तक हमने पूरी की पूरी इस सीरीज में देखे हैं वो सारे फॉलो करो. अगर आपने पूरे स्टेप्स नहीं फॉलो अप किए हैं देन आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू जस्ट गो बैक एंड वॉच ईच एंड एवरी सेशन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज. आई हैड मेड वीडियोज वेरी शॉर्टर इन लेंथ. आई डोंट वांट टू ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज से पीपल टू जस्ट सिंप्लीफाई थिंग, डोंट ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज माई इंटेंशन. तो सारी वीडियोज बहुत छोटी है. इफ यू हैड नॉट वॉच दैट वीडियो जस्ट गो बैक एंड वॉच all the videos in this particular playlist so that you can understand things in a better way. And definitely key to success is faster processing of pointers, and you have to follow the structure which we had discussed earlier also. So just go with the pace and you will be amazed with the result or with the transformation that you will have throughout the process. So but try to understand there is no idealistic answer, there is no perfect answer, there is always being a imperfection in every perfection. So please remember that and don't cherish perfection and all. Always be in implementation mode and try to do things like देर इज ऑलवेज बेटर वे टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. वहीं पे खड़े रह के ज़्यादा सोचो मत. डोंट बी इन एनालिसिस पैरालिसिस. जस्ट मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल बी देयर एंड यू विल बी राइटिंग अ वेरी गुड आंसर दैट विल मेक एग्जामिनर थिंक ओके ही और शी हैड wrote a very good answer, so let me give him maximum marks that I can. This is the attitude that we should always adhere to. So that was it for this idealistic answer. I hope you now understand it is totally a myth. There is no ideal answer. Just move forward, practice hard. Practice will make you perfect. Like definitely there is no perfection. This is the just saying. But yeah, we can. There is ideal of perfection, but we can't attain that. But yeah, we can aspire that. So that was it for idealistic answer. I hope you get your answer for this particular thing. So guys, I hope you had enjoyed all the videos till now and you are also amazed with the things and how simplified they are and how complicated we make them. So if you had not subscribed to my channel yet, then I request you to just do that right now and hit the bell icon so that all the notification gets delivered to you. Along with that, guys, I conduct a master class over which I handhold people. I let them know how to move forward in this UPSC journey. If you also want to know more about it, then do register yourself at the link given in the description below. I will love to see you over there. So that was it for this particular video, and thank you so much guys for being there throughout the playlist. So thank you so much guys.